How to fix the Binding of Isaac Rebirth is crashing. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab, launch options box, you want to add -dx10, or you can try -dx11 if the first option is not launching the game. Now you want to go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam. Now you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. Now from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64 right here. And once you finish this installation, it will require a computer restart. So right after you restart your computer, you will also need to check if you have the latest GPU update installed. So you can use the NVIDIA app or the AMD software depending on which GPU you have. Now you want to check for the latest updates and install them. Next, all you need to do is run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library and it should solve the crash problem.